Hi, Akang Hadi Batam again. I'm just finished repairing this high voltage power supply. The brand is Iseg, but model number HPp 10158. Currently now in working condition after I repair. Previously this power supply is blackout. This display 7-segment blackout, so only this thing on light, but all the rest of the light is off, all LED is off, and of course also no output. Okay, now let me check what is inside here. Inside here we got, okay, here I use this pointing the line. From the line, this side is line, then from the line go to the line filter, AC line filter, then go to the front here, switch. For the switch going back to let me see inside here. There is bridge rectifier diode. From there, on bridge rectifier diode is hooked up with this 8 pieces of electronic capacitor with the value, let's see the value, 2200 microfarad, 200 volts. Okay, then there is two main section over here. The small here is low voltage switching regulator, which the high voltage for the switching regulator is taken out from this circuit through this 4 of the capacitor. Drop down the voltage with this capacitor and then connect to this switching regulator. This small switching regulator has function to supply or some of digital circuit, so they got 5 volt, then 12 volt, and plus minus 15 volt for using some op amps. And this one is the main circuit or high voltage circuit. Then connect to this filter, AC filter, and this rectifier, and this one is output. Then now I want to test this power supply. Unlucky, this power supply there is no ground leaf option, so I cannot use my this electronic load, because this electronic load is ground leaf. So the plus is the circuit, but the minus one is not going to the ground. But for this Iseg power supply, let me check behind here. Got some light. Okay, this one only mention or got light. Let me check got light on. Only having HP high voltage output, but the output for the minus we only select from here, which this ground or 0 volt is directly connect to the body of the power supply. So I cannot use tester. I cannot use tester my electronic load. So I use the other things. This is the power supply. I already connect the output of this high voltage power supply. It's a wire, okay, and connect to my power supply. Now let me test. Before test I will show you how to operate simple operation of this power supply. This hand have, okay, this on off switch, you know that, and then this one for activate, okay, off. This one to activate on or off the high voltage. Okay, let me on. booting, initialize, booting again, initialize all the connection, and serial number 680141, and now ready to use. There is some parameters on this power supply. In the this off position for high voltage, you can press set. You can see, check here, set. This is the parameter number 1, 2, 3 until 13. So it's sorry, and 11, 12, 13, back to 0. So how to go through this value? So this is parameter number, this is parameter, and the value, for the value you have to press local and set together. Sorry, the value of parameter 1 is 0.00. You can set this parameter, refer to the book, manual book, what is the parameter for the F01 to F13. For escape out from this menu, just press this escape, back to the main menu or main function as voltage and current. And then this one for voltage and current setting. Now let we on. I already set this voltage to about 200 volt. Okay. The current is about 15 milliamp, and then the voltage for this one is 100 to 240, so 200 volts, so should be no problem. Okay, I think that's all. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.